Hi, Kathy Southern here with Studio Cat Designs. A while back, just a few weeks ago, I made this sample and I told you that I was going to give you a tutorial for how to totally transform your zipper into something that would perfectly match your sample or your project. I had a lazy Saturday afternoon and I felt like messing around with fabric and I don't know, I just thought I might try this. I actually had zippers that would match this bag, but I decided, let me see if I can't make the perfect zipper. So you can see right here, here's one. I added this polka dotted trim. Here's one on the back. And you can see that we've made the polka dots match the turquoise in the sample. It was fun. Anyway, I promised that I would make a tutorial for you so that you can try it. And of course it would work for a dress, it would work for a skirt, and it works for bags and just about anything that you're going to put a zipper in. It's easy, but it's a little tedious, takes some time. I had a lazy Saturday afternoon and felt like playing, and if you have a situation like that where you want to get the perfect match or you're having difficulty finding a zipper that doesn't ruin the look of your perfect fabric, this is a worthwhile thing to try. I'll put a little note up at the end of this video where you can access it off our website for free and go ahead and try it. If you do, I'd love to see a picture. I'd love to see your finished project to see what you've done. So in the meantime, enjoy and have a great day. Thanks for watching.